More breaking news. The Florida judge who authorized the FBI to search the home of former President Donald Trump may unseal more documents related to the investigation.
The judge says he might release parts of an affidavit that outlines why the government needed to seize items from Mar-A-Lago. News 6 investigator Mike DeForest was in West Palm for today's big court hearing.
Today, attorneys representing several news organizations urged the judge to release that search warrant affidavit, or at least a redacted copy of the affidavit. But lawyers for the Department of Justice argued that releasing any information from that document could not only jeopardize their national security investigation, it could also jeopardize the safety of witnesses. Last week, federal magistrate Judge Bruce Reinhart signed off on a search warrant at Donald Trump's home just a few miles from here. The FBI later said it seized several boxes of top secret and highly classified materials from Mar-A-Lago. Now, despite the Justice Department's concern that the sealed document could provide a roadmap to the government's investigation, the judge sided with news organizations who argued the public may be entitled to see a blacked out, redacted version of the search warrant affidavit.
So it generally will describe the nature and scope of the investigation, the nature and scope of the records sought by the government, and of course go over the details that justify taking the incredible step of issuing and executing a search warrant at the home of a former president.
1 week from today, the judge ordered the Department of Justice to give him a copy of the Mar-A-Lago search warrant with the government's proposed redactions. Now, if the judge agrees that those redactions are proper, then the judge will likely release the affidavit to the public. If the judge thinks the Justice Department maybe blacked out too much information, the judge will send it back to the DOJ with his own proposed redactions, or he will hold a closed-door hearing on the matter. Today, the judge did order the release of several minor documents related to the Mar-A-Lago search warrant. As for that search warrant affidavit, well, government lawyers say by the time they're done redacting all of the sensitive information, it will basically be meaningless. Reporting in West Palm Beach, Mike DeForest, News 6.